Stop using your mouse to draw. What if you could turn the empty air in front of you into a digital canvas? Hey guys, it's TSK here. I built AirCanvas Ultra using Python and OpenCV. No expensive VR gears, just a standard webcam and some serious math. But it's not just a paint clone. Using coordinate tracking, I can actually grab my drawings, move them in 3D space, or toss them in the trash. Check this out. The eraser doesn't just hide pixels. It uses a custom splitting algorithm that actually breaks the data into a new objects in real time. Under the hood, MediaPipe is tracking 21 hand landmarks at 30 frames per second, while my gesture state machine decides if I am navigating or creating. The future of human-computer interaction is touchless. If you want to see how the logic works, check out the link in my bio